In this lecture, we are going to look at the Format Painter tool. It's a tool which helps you copy the formatting of the cell to multiple other cells. So, coming back to our COVID data sheet, let's see a example like Excel. Okay, so if we're gonna change, it's in bold. You can see you can change it in bold, maybe italic also, giving some underline and changing its color orange, and also changing its background color cell again, and then select color, maybe, yeah, maybe green. Okay, dark green, right? Okay, so and we can also increase the size of this. Yeah. So like you can see that we have given a sample of this Excel. Okay, we can also create more example to copy the format of this cell to other cell. Like we must write some point. Okay, so let's go with this side. Yeah. So now what I want to do, I want to copy the formatting of this cell which have Excel in it to all these three cell. How we can do this? So under the home tab there is Format Painter. Okay, so if I don't use this Format Painter tool, then I have to go to each and every cell manually, change the color of the cell and change the font of the cell and change the font color of the cell, so which will be too much lengthy. Instead of doing that, we can simply click on the cell and hit Format Painter. Now you can select the cell where you want this format to be copied. For example, if we want this format for PPT cell, we can just click on this PPT cell and you can see that exactly the cell Excel was, it is now showing to PPT cell also. So it is copied ditto. Now if we want this same cell to other cell also, we can do that also. Like for example, if we want this Excel, select Format Painter and just click on this cell. Now if you will type anything, right, like, you can see that exact the cell it's showing the same way. So now what? Now if you want that lots of cell to be copied in same way, you can do that also. For example, select this cell, click on Format Painter, then select as much cell you want. Okay, so this is it for this Excel. So now let's see another example. Let's take like you want a specific cell to be copied as this cell. Okay, like you want to change the format of particular cell. For example, if there is a this SharePoint and Word, two cell and one more cell, take it like Adobe. Okay, so you want that this cell and this cell should be in this format. So what you can do, you cannot just select this format and select Format Painter and just drag. This is not the way, because this will also get selected and this format will also change. So what you can do, you can select this cell and click on Format Painter twice. So if you will click Format Painter twice, it has been selected until you turn it off. So when if you want this cell to be in this format and this cell also, now you can see that this two cell has been selected as same format as you want. So after doing your job, you just click on escape button, ESC, press escape, it will just go off. Okay, now you can see that it has been selected your same Excel format, and this has been saved. So that's it for today, and I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.